Welcome back. I ended up getting a shipment in that was kind of unexpected. I didn't get the tracking number prior. It was handled by different shipping services. Another Tora Kukri that I had ordered that it was ready was sent by DHL, and tracking on that was excellent, and I actually received it within a few days. I'm not completely positive when this shipment started. It could have been as much as 6 to 8 weeks ago, but I finally received a notice that my package was on the way about a week to 10 days ago. And that was through a carrier that will remain nameless. But this is the Youdha. This is currently discontinued. Simon had said that their Premier Classic Battalion is so similar in feel to this that they decided to discontinue the Youdha. I'm glad I got this. The Youdha, we still have oil on this. I have not cleaned that since it arrived. Careful, very sharp. So the Youdha is, I believe it's a stick tang with a World War II butt plate. The difference between this and the Classic Battalion is this kind of has this double decoration here, and the Classic Battalion just has a single one. That's really the only difference. This one balances very well with slightly favoring the tip. It is a narrower belly, but I got this one particularly more for martial arts practicing. I do appreciate a kukri that does balance slightly forward. Other ones that I have are fairly equally balanced from the handle. This one's slightly forward, and I do appreciate that. So the difference in the Youdha, it had the decorated tinder pouch, and it did not come with a frog. I had asked Simon that I really appreciate frogs, as I don't generally carry a sash. So he said, hey, I will provide that. And he did provide a military frog for that. This is horn handled. The Carta and Checkmack are also horn handled. No butt cap on these, which I do like and do appreciate. But again, this is the discontinued Youdha, which means warrior. Horn handle, very nice feel, and again, this is a feel with more forward to the blade, which I do like very much. I kind of hope Simon has puts up on the website a discontinued model section, because it would be nice to see the specs on this as it was originally intended. But again, the Classic Battalion, Premier Classic Battalion, is a similar feel to this. I don't believe you get the decorated tinder pouch, but other than that, the specs are the same, except for the single decoration versus the double decoration. I'm very glad I ordered this. I think I ordered it just days before it was finally discontinued. Again, this is from batch 32. I have 3 orders with 2 to 3 kukris in each. My first order, I'm still missing a horned handled 32, but I ended up getting one of my batch 33s included in this next shipment, and I'll do a video on that. So batch 32 is in motion for those who have some on order. I understand the premieres, what are the ones called that are, I forget which ones that are called, the premieres, usually the horn handle. I forget what the ones are called. Let me see here. The Prestige. So the Prestige could take a little longer. Horn handles definitely take longer than the wooden handles, so there could be a delay on those. But again, I was concerned with having 3 separate orders, and the 3 separate orders contained batch 32. They contained Prestige and batch 33, but it looks like they're keeping an excellent track of those. Follow them on Facebook for the Tora Kukri to get your latest updates. But again, this is the Youdha, and just absolutely gorgeous. Have a good day.